Hello everyone. In this video, if you're looking to get approved for a loan up to $35,000 in Canada, Spring Financial might be the best solution for you. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to apply and increase your chances of approval. So now let's get started. First, go to the Spring Financial website by typing springfinancial.ca into your browser. So this platform offers loans for various needs, including personal loans up to 35K. Before applying, make sure you meet the basic eligibility criteria. You should be a Canadian resident, at least 18 years old, and have a steady income. Even if you have a low credit score, Spring Financial offers loans to individuals working on building or repairing their credit. So next, fill out the online loan application. You will need to provide personal information like your name, address, employment status, and income details. So be sure to fill out everything accurately, as this will help speed up the approval process. Once you have submitted your application, Spring Financial will review your information and provide a loan offer based on your financial profile. If approved, you will see the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment terms. You can receive up to 35K depending on your creditworthiness and income. So review the loan offer carefully, and if it meets your needs, you can accept the offer and finalize the paperwork online. The funds will be deposited into your bank account usually within a few days. And that is how you can get approved for a loan up to 35K with Spring Financial. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.